Today we will shoot airplanes using this Kenko MIL TOL 400mm F6.7 ED lens. MIL TOL is a unique optical system that consists of lenses and accessories that are in a certain combination allow you to use these lenses as a spotting scope, telescope or photo lenses. So this is Kenko MIL TOL 400mm refractor type lens. The optical construction is very simple, only one group and two lenses inside. And the front lens is made by expensive extra low dispersion glass. If you try this lens, you may be surprised by clear and sharp picture that such a simple lens can create. The focal length is 400mm. The most suggested objects of shooting are airplanes, races, animals and birds. Time we will choose airplanes as an object and show you some tips how to prepare the system and shoot with a Olympus OMD EM10 non-reflex camera. Prime super tele lenses are regarded to be heavy. MIL TOL 400mm, thanks to its simple optics, feels light and easy to handle, especially when moving at the large airport terminals. Because of the fact that focal length is long, it cannot be used on hand so far, so middle-class tripod is also will be good for shooting. Okay, let's attach camera to the lens, but before that, one tip for you. To make cleaning more easier, MIL TOL lens can be disassembled. Before using, make sure that all parts are jointed tightly together. Check the hood. It must be attached tightly as well. Okay, we mounted lenses and camera on the tripod and now we are ready for shooting. Let's go!